Hi guys, welcome to Tech with Sitara YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can rename your YouTube channel name. Let's see how we can do that. Basically it is actually a pretty straightforward method. You just have to click on your YouTube user profile, then go into settings. From here click on edit on Google. Once you click this, it will navigate into your Google profile account. So basically you can see all the details which related to your Google profile account. So what you have to do is click on top of your profile name. Then from here you can click edit. From this point you can change your name. So the thing is, once you change your name, profile name from here, it will not only change the YouTube channel name, it will change all the other display names which associated with your Gmail account or this Google profile. So once you change your profile name from here, the change name will be shown in your Gmail account and in YouTube account and all other Google related applications. So keep remember that. So once you change your profile name from here, it will affect to you all the applications including YouTube. So you just have to type your new name and click on save. So that is it guys. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, you can do that here as well. Keep in touch with us for new videos, new technical related videos. So goodbye.